Good morning, children. Welcome back to your VPS e-learning class, children. As you all know that yesterday I have completed the poem Snare back exercises. Today I am going to explain you the snare chapter of your English workbook. In this exercises are given and I am going to explain you the exercises how can you do in your English workbook, students. So get ready with this. Get ready with your children. As you all know that yesterday I have completed the poem Snare of English Literature course book. Today I am going to start the snare. It is in your workbook, students. Okay. So this is the chapter of your workbook. It is given that verbs are transitive and intransitive. Okay. So mention today's date, that is 10, 11, 20. Okay. And at this side classwork, and let's begin with the exercise. A transitive verb has a direct object. Like this sentence is given, the man ate the cake. Here ate is the verb. I have told you in the previous classes also that ate is the verb because it is a doing word. Okay. So ate is the verb and the cake is the direct object. In this, cake is the direct object because the man ate the cake. So the man ate which thing? It is a cake. So cake is direct object here. Like this, come to the next. The children played. Played is the verb. In this, verb is played but no object is given. So no direct object is there. Okay. Like this, come to the exercise. Exercise 1. Underline the transitive verbs. Draw a circle round the direct object. We saw the ships. In this, transitive verb is saw. So underline it and ships is the object. So circle it. The children asked questions. So asked is the verb, transitive verb, and questions is the direct object. Okay. Come to the next. The dog and the cat played games. So played is the verb here and games is the direct object here. Uncircle it. The young girl sang a sweet song. Sang is the verb and song is the direct object. The old man drank tea. Drank is the verb and tea is the direct object. So like this you have to complete it. Write your own sentences, follow the examples. Here subject, when I have told you the sentence chapter, I have told you that every sentence has subject and predicate. Na? So, it is, for example, subject is Gitanjali, transitive verb is read, object is a book and anything more is every day. Like this you can complete a sentence. So, you have to write your own. Second one I am giving. Alex send a letter for Argentina. Okay. So you can complete the sentence like this. In this, Alex is the subject and send is the transitive verb. A letter is the object and for Argentina is the anything more. Come to the next. She left the keys on the table. Here, she is the subject transitive verb is left, object is the keys, and anything more is on the table. Like this you can complete the sentence. So come to the next exercise. Next is D. My father took me to the movie. Next is auntie buy me a toy dog. So up to this you have to complete in your English workbook. These two exercises you have to done in your course workbook. In this, transitive verb is clear. Transitive verb always has a direct object and verb is also there. So the man ate the cake. Ate is the verb and the cake is the direct object. Okay. And in the next sentence, the children played. Played is the verb, but no direct object is, so it is intransitive. Okay, like this sentences are given. You have to complete it into the English workbook like this and fill it with the help of pencil only, students, and fill it properly, neatly, nicely, and don't use pen and don't make untidy work, please. And if you have feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also, children. And make the sentences, underline and circles properly, and complete the exercises properly and neatly in your workbook. And what is your homework? You have to revise these exercises also, which you have done today in your workbook. Okay, students, thank you.